Hi there, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into a question that has puzzled many of us since childhood. Why is the sky blue? It's a fascinating topic that combines science and beauty, and I'm excited to explore it with you. Let's start with the basics. The sky appears blue due to a phenomenon called Rayleigh scattering. When sunlight enters our atmosphere, it's made up of different colors, each with its own wavelength. Blue light waves are shorter and scatter more than the other colors when they hit the molecules in the air. This scattering causes the blue light to spread out in all directions, making the sky look blue to our eyes. Now, you might be wondering how this works in different conditions. For instance, during sunrise and sunset, the sky can transform into stunning shades of orange and pink. This happens because the sun is lower on the horizon, and its light has to pass through more of the Earth's atmosphere. As a result, the blue light gets scattered out of our line of sight, allowing the longer wavelengths, like red and orange, to dominate the scene. Isn't that incredible? If you're interested in exploring this phenomenon further, there are some easy ways to observe it. Next time you're outside, take a moment to look up at the sky. Notice how its color changes throughout the day. You can even grab a camera and capture these beautiful moments. It's a simple yet rewarding way to connect with nature and appreciate the science behind it. For those of you who love to learn more, there are fantastic resources available online. Websites like NASA's educational pages offer interactive tools and videos that explain the science of light and color in a fun and engaging way. You can also find apps that allow you to track the position of the sun and see how it affects the sky's color throughout the day. As you explore, keep in mind that understanding why the sky is blue can deepen your appreciation for the world around you. It's a reminder of the intricate systems at play in our atmosphere and how they create the beauty we often take for granted. Thank you for joining me on this colorful journey through the science of our sky. I hope you found this explanation enlightening and that it inspires you to look up more often. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing for more fascinating insights into the world of science and technology. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.